Today I'm going to share with you how to make some tomato shaped hearts and cucumber shaped hearts and how you can do some fun things with them. So this is an example of what I've already done that we're going to make. These are super fun. So we'll kind of get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your tomato, a serrated knife, and you're going to cut this part right here that shows the end of the tomato, and you're going to just cut it like an angle, kind of like this. And I was like thinking before I learned how to do this, I was like, oh my gosh, what kind of angle does that mean? So you're going to cut it like that. Then you're going to take your knife and you're going to go right in the middle like this. And don't do it in your hand, do it on a cutting board. And then you can just flip it over and you've got your heart shape. How cool is that? And so one of the things that I did was I put it on a little toothpick. Now, this is a regular size toothpick and a longer one. And you're going to need the longer one if you're going to want to fit a cheese ball. I was going to make like a caprese little skewer, right? So I've got my tomato. And then these are from Costco. These are the best. And they're prepackaged. Then they last longer. I mean, these are perfect for like cauliflower pizza. And so you're going to string on, oh, and I have fresh basil. Let me grab it, please. So you're going to put your fresh basil right onto your skewer like this. And I like it how it like kind of cups the heart. It's cute to me. And then I'm going to put on the mozzarella ball. Easy peasy. Now, if we want to make this into like an arrow, then you can grab some paper. Choose white, or this is just a sticky note that I had. And with a sticky note, I like to use one of the sides as the arrow part where it's like pointy. And you can just cut that as a triangle. So fold it in half, cut the triangle out. So the sticky part of the sticky note is right here. So it's going to be sticky, so I can stick this in the middle of the two pieces. Oh, great. Oh, the pressure. Okay. And it's already sticky. So it's kind of nice, kind of easy. And then for the other side, which you could do with a regular piece of paper, is that I'm going to be cutting the shape of the arrow. Okay. So I'm going to be doing, I always have to look at it like, why does my brain not work like a herringbone even though it's on my cutting board? And so you'll just hit the same points, like if you, to make a straight herringbone, see how I didn't do very straight? You just fix it. So that's going to be more accurate right there. And right there. And you can fold it in half if you want it to be symmetrical, and so that it actually is the same on both sides. So boom, boom. Okay, so we got our piece, right? Then you can use some glue, and you can glue the inside of both of these so that it will stick for you. And then you'll put it around your toothpick. And voila. Ta-da. You guys, do it this way, not this way. I just put it on upside down. Here, I guess I could fix it. Anyway, I think making food fun and giving your kids lots of veggies and fruit ideas, like they don't care. They're going to totally eat this after school. My boy is going to love it. So I hope you have an awesome day.